Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends in Monopoly Go. So in order to do this, first of all, open your Monopoly Go application, and after opening the application, you're going to see this page. So this is Monopoly Go's dashboard, and in order to add friends, you'll have to click on this friends icon at the bottom right of the screen, and you will see this page that says friends and family. Here, you'll have to simply click on the plus invite icon, and you'll be able to invite any of the friends that you want to add on Monopoly Go. So click on this invite link that is in yellow color, and you'll be able to send this link to anyone you want. So we have different kind of platforms here. Click on more and you can send this link to any of the friends that you want to add to your Monopoly Go. For example, I'll select WhatsApp and I will select this person to join me on Monopoly Go. I'll select him and click on send. Now I'll click on send again, and whenever this person is going to click on this link, he'll be successfully added as my friend in Monopoly Go. You can also click on this invite button after the suggested friend, and they'll be able to accept your friend request as soon as they click on it. So that's the simple way to add friends in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.